Hey everyone, and today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12. This is a black version with 128 gigabytes. So that's the box. I will show you because I also have iPhone 11 here box, and I will show you the difference. Look at that, there is quite a difference, and I know most of you probably know why we have this difference. Okay, so that's that. Personally, I think 11 box was a little bit better, but that's just nitpicking. Okay, so let's start unboxing experience. That's the box. iPhone, little emboss here. Nice. And let's see. So like I said, this is a black version. Let's see how it looks. Actually, I thought it would be darker. For me it is good. Well, maybe. I've chosen to go with this color because there was no other version available. Because everything was sold out, unfortunately, but maybe I will get used to this black design. Let's peel this off real quick. Let's down on the phone. No protective film on the back. That's quite unfortunate in my opinion, but and you know, no charger, no earpods, but personally I wouldn't mind that only if the price was a bit better, but we have more expensive phone than iPhone 11 and no accessories. It's kind of not very right for me, I have to say. So you have a Lightning to USB-C cable, as you can see, and your documents SIM ejection tool. Wow, that's really tiny, quite nice. And one sticker. Looks like we have only one sticker. Okay. So that's that. I will show you a close-up. I can already tell you this will be a total fingerprint magnet, but it actually looks better than on the photos, I have to say. Quite okay looking. So I think that would be all. The display quality looks absolutely amazing. The build also is very good. The color, personally I would go with green or white if they were available only. But it is what it is. No charger, no earphones. That's kind of not very good, accounting the price. But it is what it is. Stay tuned for camera comparisons and reviews coming with this phone, and I hope you will enjoy them. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.